What's up, everyone? Welcome back. If you're all about finding new ways to make money and grow your investments, or you're just curious about the latest crypto trends, you're in the right place. Today's topic that we're going to be going over and diving into is an app that just might change the way that you think about Bitcoin and crypto mining. That's right. Today, we're going to be talking about and going through the GoMining app, an app that promises to make Bitcoin mining accessible to anyone, anywhere, and guess what? You don't need to set up any clunky hardware or blow up your electricity bill to get started. This is passive income pretty much in its purest form. If you're like me when I was looking to get started out, you're probably thinking, I wish I could get into crypto mining, but I don't have the time or the tech. So this could be exactly what you're looking for. Let's dive in. First up, what is GoMining? Well, imagine being able to tap into a massive Bitcoin mining system with just a couple taps on your phone. GoMining allows you access to this and it makes it extremely simple. GoMining has their whole computing network set up, and all you do is purchase NFTs that you can later go and sell. These NFTs have mining rate attached to them, and it will just continuously mine for you as long as you hold it. So you can really start with next to no money. As you can see here, there's digital miners that start at $20 and their payback is about 30%. With GoMining, you buy GoMining tokens. GoMining tokens are currently at 40 cents each, sitting up 6% today, up 300% over the past year. Now, these GoMining tokens are linked to a share of GoMining's hash power. So in simpler terms, these tokens actually represent a piece of their mining operation. They do all the heavy lifting for you. It handles mining hardware, the tech, and even the electricity. All you have to do is hold those GMT tokens and boom, you start earning Bitcoin passively. Who doesn't want a little extra income flowing in, right? Especially when it's in Bitcoin, which has its own long-term growth potential completely on its own. GoMining pays out your rewards in Bitcoin daily. Now, they do also offer a feature when you have 10 terahertz of mining power to reinvest, and they start paying out in a GoMining token that gives you a 10% discount, and we will go over all that in just a minute. So to this date, they have mined 3,681 Bitcoin, which equates to just about $360 million Canadian. If you're still having a hard time grasping this concept, how it works is they have their digital miners, and when they do have the digital miner, then that allows them to put their NFTs into the market, as you can see, based on the mining fleet. So if they only have a certain size of fleet, there is only a certain amount of NFTs allocated towards it. So it's not like they're just putting a whole bunch of NFTs out and are just paying rewards randomly. Let's say you would like to start off with only an initial investment of $21 a month, bare minimum. With Bitcoin expected at 90,000 and the GoMining maintenance token discount, which we will have active to make sure we really maximize everything per month, you're going to get $1.80. So after 2 years, this investment will completely pay for itself. Then you're also able to go and sell your NFT, and they don't lose value as well. So it's really a win. App itself is super user friendly. You have your dashboard here showing your tokens, your mining farm, our discount, and the leaderboards, showing our daily payouts, and even real-time earnings. It can kind of get addicting to check your money while you sleep. There are daily electricity fees that come along with the mining, and you're able to get up to 30% off As you can see here, we get up to 20% just for holding a set amount of tokens. They have a daily service check-in, which you're going to get 0.3% off up to 3%. Here, we also have the level discount based on how many terahertz you have. And there is also a solo mining discount. There is solo mining, and there's also the crypto wars, which I will show you in a minute. Once you get all set up and funded, you're going to want to come down here to the market where you are able to create your own unique miner, or you're able to purchase miners. You can see this one is 1 terahertz hour. It's going to use 20 watts per terahertz, and the ROI on this is going to be 37% at 54 GoMining tokens. Now, if you do have a little bit more money to play with, they do have more expensive miners offered, where this one here's $30,000 and you're going to receive 57% ROI. So after the second year, you're just getting continuous free money, and once you decide you're finally done with it, you can just sell it off for about $30,000. And the efficiency, which is how much electricity the unit will use. Highly recommend maxing out all of your efficiency on your miners because it does yield the highest ROI. GoMining's GMT value is constantly on the rise because of their epoch burn cycles. They have these going on so often. They're currently on cycle 63 here, with around 1 million being currently. They've burnt 21 million GoMining tokens. GoMining also provides a liquidity pool that right now you can get up to 880% APR, which is not crazy. And it's based off of a USDT token. So if you understand how liquidity pools go, that's about as good as it's going to get. And if you do have any friends in the crypto space that you like to actively participate in things with, GoMining offers their miner wars. So how this works is you can either create your own league with your friends, or you can join. As you can see, these are the top highest earning clans here, which just adds a nice little twist if you do want to participate with other people that you know, and you're also looking to purchase bonuses that affect the whole group. Now, GoMining does offer an automatic withdrawal feature, so once your reaches a certain threshold, it will just withdraw into any selected wallet. As we can see here, I've earned $133 so far with GoMining, and that is not including the current payout option that I am running, which is paying out in the native GoMining token. So with all that being said, my final verdict, or my question to you is Go worth a shot? I'd say if you're looking for a low hassle way to dip your toes into Bitcoin mining, or you're already an experienced miner and would like a passive way to just set up something you do not have to worry about maintenance or parts or what you're going to do with the unit after you're done with it, then it's definitely worth exploring. GoMining's unique approach means you don't need a big upfront investment, and you get steady potential income for the very far foreseeable future. I currently have been using the platform for 3 years, so all the tokens I'm holding, I've seen over 300% returns on, and all the miners that I am still holding and that haven't off are just essentially printing free money at this point. And the fact that they're constantly reinvesting in their tech, that just adds to the appeal. So you're not just betting on Bitcoin, but you're also betting on GoMining's ability to stay ahead of the curve. So if you like the idea of making money in the cryptocurrency world without a whole bunch of headaches, GoMining is a very solid option. All right, that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you want to see more content on investment apps and passive income apps, don't forget to comment and subscribe.